Welcome to the module demonstration for the checklist module. The checklist module is one of the very fundamental module of JRC Perfect. This module helps the client to set up various kinds of checklists for various modules and also used as a master data setup for many modules. So if you see the checklist type, basically this links the particular checklist to the usage in various modules. We have checklist defined for appraisal, assets, audit report, BSc parameter, DAR, decision analysis and resolution, estimation, minutes of meeting, organizational processes, PIID report, RARTP, which stands for risk analysis, risk treatment plan, resources, schedule, suppliers, and training master. So that means the checklist may be used in a particular module in a particular fashion, mostly helping the module to capture sets of data against a particularly defined checklist. Here I will do a sample demonstration for the audit module. The checklist module would more or less be similar for other modules. For appraisal, we use it for appraisal checklists. For assets, it is for asset disposal. For audit report, it is about the audit checklist. BSc parameter helps to set up various KPI indicators. DAR is to set up DAR checklists. Estimation module uses checklists only for setting up the system environments. Minutes of meeting to define agenda for a meeting. Organizational processes sets up a checklist for reviewing organizational processes. PIID report is the checklist for CMMI related assessments. RARTP is the threat and vulnerability list, master list. Resources are used for project management resources. Schedule is basically for engineering reviews, which is like code review, design review, all that. Then supplier is for supplier evaluation. Training master is for capturing training feedback. So for example, let's look at the various audit reports. Here we have one audit report for ISO 9001 audit checklist. You can just simply say add, and you can add one more checklist. So for example, I can say internal audit checklist, internal audit checklist for say HR. Like that, you can define a new checklist and you can say this is an audit report checklist. Make it as active and save this. So this is how the checklist will get added. And for adding the detailed element of the checklist, you have to click on the details button, and then once you have the details button, you will see a field called model name, model label, and model element. That is basically to associate a checklist item with a model element, because most of the audit checklists do come from a standard like ISO 9001 or 27001. You can define various model elements and labels, and we need to put the checklist description here. That's how the checklist gets built, and this can be used in further modules.